Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, guys. And if you need to find the fuse for the airbag control module, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. Now, I'll recommend if you're not qualified and certified, never work on airbags, never work even removing the fuse to check it, guys, because airbags are something that can explode, it can kill you, hurt you guys. So if you're not qualified and certified, do not work on them. Okay, consider this entertaining video only. We'll explain where the fuse is located for any of you that need to know exactly which fuse number it is on the car, and we'll explain what else, okay, should be done every time you remove that fuse, so we can minimize the chance for something terrible to happen, but there is always a chance for things to go wrong. So let's continue now. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Challenger specifically, we will be taking completely apart transmission engine wise, and we have multiple ones which are the V6 and the V8, so videos will be coming very soon. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So specifically, guys, this is a 2018 Dodge Challenger that we have here, and let us show you what we have specifically here. We need to go ahead and open the hood. So it's been in a little bit of an accident, so ignore that part, but if you come right here, we're going to go ahead, open the hood, and right here now is the fuse box. This is the fuse box. How do you guys open it? You have two things that you need to squish towards each other. The fuse box will open, you'll flip on the side, and these fuse numbers, when you hold the box lid that way, will correspond to what we have specifically here. The fuse, guys, that we need to check for the airbag module, okay, before we continue, let me tell you, do not work if you're not qualified and certified, and do not remove the fuse, but always disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before removing the fuse. Disconnect the car battery, let it sit for at least 1 hour, then check the fuse, and later reconnect it, because that way you can minimize the chance for something terrible to happen. Number 2, it matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can damage the system as well. So we will, guys, actually put a link to a video that will explain which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. The fuse that you need to check will be fuse number 38, that fuse right here. That's the airbag fuse. So if you remove that fuse, airbag light will be on as well, and the airbag system module will not work correctly. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.